Hi, and welcome to the video of this train video. Today we'll be taking a look at 4 trains and a little bit of history at the end of the video. So enjoy the video while you can, sit back and relax and enjoy the video.
There goes the crossing to your left.
If you guys are wondering why it's nighttime, this video was taken at 5:30 in the morning. It was out making our recycling run, and yeah.
There goes the one. Yeah, lots of lumber on it.
Yeah.
Now these ring when they go up.
Go jump on the track, see if you go, if they can go up and down.
Oh Lord, I thought that'd work.
Also, this Church Street railroad crossing, due to the mechanical bells slowing down, Norfolk Southern decided to replace them with General Signals Type 3 E-bell, which makes it official that all railroad crossings in that town are officially now all E-bell.
What time is it now?
Got a westbound 22A, clear Duncan. Wait, hold up. I think that's 11Z. Excuse me, 11Z at Rural Retreat. With a fresh AC 44C6M on board. Yep, 44 something. Yep, he's picking up speed. This is 11Z. Yep, 11Z clear Duncan. He's gonna make a straight shot through. Oh, there's a BC Rail boxcar. I haven't seen those in a while. There's some coal cars. So it has some kind of things on them coal cars. Yeah, here comes the rear end of 11Z. Here's the tail end of 11Z.
This train would pick up speed to downtown. After 10 to 20 minutes later, my defect detector went off on my unit and scanner.
My defect detector just went off. Just wait for it.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 353.5. No defects.
And there you have it. Net is out in the gross close area. Over here is 340.6. So yeah, it works. I didn't think it worked over here. It does when I'm in downtown, but dang. Yeah, it's 22A clear, Duncan. Yeah, very short today. Actually, it has 10 cars instead of 8. And there's already the tail end of it.
Let's go back to day before those videos. Here at Church Street, I would catch NS eastbound 126, which was a very short train today, because he had to stop at Ridge Avenue.
The guys should be coming down right here behind me. Those are new bells. That's 126. Whoa! That was already. That's a short one today. Oh, I better cover my eyes because sand fracking cars are coming in. Oh, they clouded up. Here they come. Gotta make it go. Whoa, I've never seen this before. Oh, look how much dust it's making. I can't even see but about half a mile. end of it. That's the end of 126. I'm not sure if these ring while they go up. We'll see if they do. Yep, they do. There goes 126. I couldn't see by half a mile. But thanks for watching. Over and out.
Now that we have reached the end of the video creations, let's share a little history. On the summer of 1998, Norfolk Southern had to build a siding in Rural Tree and Crockett area, which led to the demise of the Norfolk and Western signals alongside the building the 10,000 feet siding between Ridge Avenue and Philippi Road. The work started in June. It took weeks to build the track and clear out the land. And also in this picture you see the yellow searchlight. This is facing west towards Rural Tree. In this photo was late June 1998, as the junction was built into the track to split into another track, which the siding was half completed then. So I think what NS did was have a rail train, or something like that, to come deliver more rails to complete the track. When my mother lived in Rural Tree at the time, she told me some about the other track being built. And I can only imagine how many machinery there were. So at this time, the signals were not activated yet. That means they were still building the siding at the time being. So this picture was took in June 1998. Which normally they put bags over these signals, but this time they didn't. This is because this was the late 1990s. NS officials helped work this line between Crockett and Rural Tree, which this siding named CP Duncan, and now in the west side is the CP Crockett. And also thank you for your time during this video. Here I'm going to leave you with some kind of westbound I was passing through my mother's car on Old Stage Road. Thank you.
Voiceover.